Alright, so I'm really loving how this sounds. And honestly, it feels like magic when I throw these types of sounds in and it becomes so easy and it sounds so good. And I just want to show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm working on this song, making it all melodic. And yeah, let's just hear it. Okay. That's enough. But that's what it sounds like. I want to show you guys how to arrange your drop like Muerte and get it melodic and fat at the same time. And kind of just the way I laid this out and arranged everything. Let's check it out. So first things first, we highlight the whole drop and we look at the length of it. You'll see we have 32 bars. That's how long the drop is. It's a long drop. And if we listen without these strings here, that's basically what I made at the beginning initially. So as you see here, when I'm making it, I'm using call and response. So I'm using this as a call, right on the downbeat. And I'm turning it off and on. So it's going back and forth between this section and this section. This is the other bass you're hearing. And the next bass plays. That variation is different, and then the next phrase comes, which is the same. While this is the same plays, we have a bass playing in the background. These are the techniques I'm using for the call and response, going back and forth. But after this whole bass is made, usually that's how far we get. And it sounds good, but it still sounds like we're missing. So then I was like, you know what, I'm just chilling. You know what, I want to add some melodic sounds. So then I typed in string, and I found this. Now I'm writing in D minor, and this is in D sharp, so I just go ahead and pitch it down one, bring it to D. Okay. And then this is what I had initially, right? But then, as you see here, I chopped it up. So I would listen to the song, and basically I let the strings play on the downbeat. We take it out, and we're going back and forth from the strings. And then in some sections, I let it play longer. Sometimes I just chop it up into one. And you can listen now to how I chopped it up. Luckily, this loop was playing in a nice chord progression already. Like dun, 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 dun. So it's changing. So when I'm chopping these up, I'm making sure that I keep that chord progression going. So let's listen to the chops again. And you see I let it ride out during this section. So in the first phrase, we kind of like chop it up. Then we start letting it ride out. And that's how we're going back and forth between the melodics. But the melodics are basically filling out the rest of the space. So it starts to sound really good. I just want you guys to start practicing with adding melodies to your drop. Just make sure you understand music theory. If you guys need help, just Google like D minor scale or F minor scale. Look at the 7 notes that you can use on the piano. And remember, you can go up and down the piano using these 7 notes. Those are called your octaves when you go up and down. So yeah, just study that. Make sure you understand your root note will sound the best. The next notes that sound the best would be your third, the fifth, and the seventh. And study chord progressions. And you guys will be able to get down and get it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to use your chord progression sheets. Follow me on the Discord if you need some help. The community is growing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch out for the new videos coming out soon. We will get down with these presets. Anyways, have a good day. Peace.